Trix likes building with Legos in his free time. He enjoys playing outside with his friends. He loves acting silly and telling jokes. Brandon Outler likes sports and video games. Cole Isbell will be playing the arcade manager. He loves to act out plays and to make up scenes. Let's see if he can ever get these kids to sleep, and you're driving me crazy.
Hey boys, welcome to Arcade. Want to play some video games?
Yeah.
There's no stop signs on the highway.
Who cares? It's just a play.
Whatever.
Got another quarter? Let me check. Nope. Check your other pocket. Okay. Nope. Oh, can you check your pocket? No? Check your other pocket. Okay.
Hey boys, your case closing. You gotta leave.
Does it stay a little bit longer?
No.